Welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we will discuss about a thermoforming of the plastic components, right? So, which is given in 5th unit of Manufacturing Technology 1, ME8351. This is a subject offered for 3rd semester mechanical engineering students by Anna University. Right? Thermoforming, it is a word which is coined by means of two words, that is thermal and forming, right? Forming means converting one shape to another shape. That is called forming, right? Thermal means by means of application of heat, right? So by means of application of heat, one shape of the plastic is converted to another shape. That is called thermoforming process, right? In this thermoforming process, there are two techniques. That is, one is positive mold, another one is negative mold, right? And the two techniques we will discuss in this today lecture. Right. Before that, we'll discuss about these points, right? So, flat thermoplastic sheet or film is heated and deformed into desired shape using a mold, right? Here, we need the sheet or film. In the previous class, we have discussed how to manufacture a sheet as well as a film. That sheet or film is used as a input material for this thermoforming process, right? Once the sheet is heated and it is formed over the mold, right? Right. Heating usually accomplished by means of radiant electric heaters located on either top or bottom of the sheet, or sometimes both the sides we are providing the heater. Depends upon the thickness of the sheet. Right. Widely used in packaging of products and to fabricate large items such as bathtubs, conduits, skylights, internal door liners for refrigerators. We are using this technique. Right. Already we discussed there are two types of mold. One is called negative mold, another one is called positive mold. Negative mold means there will be the concave cavity. Positive mold means there will be the convex, right? Both types are used in thermoforming process. For positive mold, the heated sheet is dragged over the convex form. Negative or positive pressure forces plastic against the mold surface. That we will see in the next diagrams. Yeah, this is a vacuum forming, right? You look at this diagram, this is the first stage, right? So this is the sheet. This is the sheet which is manufactured by means of sheet forming process, right? Here there is the radiant heater. By means of radiant heater, we are supplying the uniform heat to the plastic sheet, right? Here there is the mold cavity. The mold cavity having the similar shape of the product what we require, right? Okay. At the bottom, there will be the vacuum holes at the bottoms, right? These vacuum holes are open to the atmosphere by which the vacuum is generated, so that the gap between the material which is formed and the mold can be avoided, right? Okay. Now the metal is heated. Now the metal is heated. Now we are producing the vacuum. We are producing the vacuum. And because of this vacuum, what will happen? This hot materials, that is the sheet, right, which is at hot conditions. Again, it is clamped by here, right. Now this space is closed. The space is closed, right. Now, once the vacuum is created in these portions, what will happen? The sheet metal is naturally subjected to move in this direction. Because this portion is closed, right? So no possibilities of entering the atmospheric air through these portions. So that once the vacuum is created in this portion, naturally the hot plastic sheets are moving in this direction, right? See, there will be the material flow in this direction. There will be the material flow in this direction. Then it will be deposited over the inner surface of the mold. Clear? Right. Then it is subject to solidification process. Once it is completely solidified, right, we are removing the clamps. We are opening the clamps, right, so that your mold part can move upward directions and it can be removed, right. So this is called vacuum thermoforming. Yeah, that is called a negative mold. Here this mold is called a positive mold. Here not here you see the metal is heated. Metal is heated. Then it is clamped at both ends. When it is clamped, naturally this material will be deposited over this mold, right. Now if there is any air gap here, that air gap will be removed by means of vacuum pump, right. Once it is solidified, now we can open the clamp. You can open the clamp. Now the mold can be removed from that mold, right? So here it is called the vacuum forming, but here in this process we are using the positive mold. In the previous case we have used the negative mold. The materials for thermoforming, only thermoplastics can be thermoformed, right? Extruded sheets of thermosetting or elastomeric polymers have already been cross-linked and cannot be softened by reheating. Because the thermosettings and this elastomeric materials are already it is cross-linked, that cannot be reheated, and the link cannot be broken, therefore that cannot be used. Only thermoplastics can be used for this purpose, right? Common thermoplastics are polystyrene, cellulose acetate biuretride, PVC, acrylic, polyethylene and polypropylene, right? The main applications are it is used for blister packs and skin packs for packaging commodity products such as cosmetics, toiletries, small tools and fasteners. Thicker sheet stocks are used for boat hulls, shower stalls, advertising displays and signboards, bathtubs, certain toys, contoured skylights, internal door linens for refrigerators. These are all the reference I have used. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.